Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Learn Code Easily. So we are going to solve today best time to buy and sell stock, and this is day one question of 2022, and this is a good question. And I have already made the second part of it, that is best time to uh, sell and buy stock second. So if you go to my channel, you can simply find the second this one. So I have already, so you can go and check out this video as well, so that you have a complete understanding. Okay, so let's solve the easy one for the same version so you are given an array and you have to find the maximum profit which you can collect by selling, by buying and selling stock. So at it is given to the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve, you have to just return 0. In this case, if you buy if you buy 7, uh, then if you want to sell it, there is no maximum rate for that stock, so you cannot sell it. But if you buy of rupees 1, then you can sell it with rupees 6, or you can buy with rupees 5, you can sell it to 6. You can buy with rupees 5 3, you can sell it 6. And it is also given on day 1 means 7 for 7 rupees. On day 1 is not allowed because you must buy before you sell. So first you have to buy, then you have to sell. So you have to find the minimum in the left side and maximum in the right side. Okay, so it could not be happen that if you buy on day second and you can sell on day first, so it is not possible. You have to go in the forward direction and you have to buy with the lesser price and you have to sold with the higher price, or you have to sell with the higher price. So what we are going to do, so we are making our two variable min and max, and also let's take the return value that we have to return and initialize with the first value, and it will also not give an error. Because why? Because price of lens should always be equal to 1. Let's take 0. Now we have to run our loop. Now what I have to check? I have to check if my min value, if I get a minimum value, then my current value. So if I get the minimum value, so if my min 1 is equals to price of I, so what I am ensuring that I have gotten a lesser value. I have gotten the lesser value, so I have to take that lesser value, and also I have to initialize with the maximum value with that particular value. Because why? Because if I have to come at 1, then I have got a lesser value than 7, and also I have to initialize my max value with 1 as well, because I cannot leave as it is, because also the max one has also acquired the 7 value. So I have to uh, reset it as well. Okay, this is if my maximum value is less than the price of I, means I have gotten a maximum value than my current price. If I have got the maximum value, then I have to go with that maximum value. So max 1 is equals to prices of I, and also as I'm getting the maximum value, because as you can see, one I have one for 1 I have buy, for 5 at 5, or I can say at the third I can sell. So the max profit I can earn is 4. Assume at in instead of 5 we have a 10, so for the maximum value which I can get is 9. So for this 2, for this 5. So I have to also keep tracking of the maximum return value which I can get, or you can say the maximum profit which I can earn. So I have to also take the match to the maximum value between the return value and maximum minus minimum. So let's try to run it. So there are multiple cases is there, as you can see. So all have been done properly. So let's try to submit it. So here you are keep tracking of, you are storing the minimum value. Here you are storing the maximum value. So it has been done properly. And as you are getting the maximum value, so you have to keep track the maximum value which you have gotten in your entire iteration. So I hope you understood, guys. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye.